right, so we are in Colorado heading to Black Gunnison National Forest, and I just had to pull over. There is so many beautiful views out here. We're an hour and a half away. But look at these mountains, man. I just had to pull over. Marissa stayed inside. It is 40 degrees. It went real quick down in temperature. And yeah, it's chilly and I'm in shorts, but there's this beautiful lake. Look at this. Let me stand on this rock here if I can. Oh, there we go. Look at this. It is so beautiful out here. There's Storm and Marissa. Amazing. We saw these mountains from afar. All right, so we're in this small town called Ridgeway in Colorado. We just passed through the most beautiful scenery. Behind these trees is like mountains with snow. You can't see too much on this side. We just stopped for a little restroom break. Beautiful little town, huh?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
So we're gonna make our way over a little further. We got 30 minutes to go to another town we're gonna be stealth camping in. But yeah, just a little update. Our straps have been holding up really well, thank the Lord. And yeah, we'll be on our way.
We're at our park still. Walked around, played some catch, and then saw some surfers, river surfers. Crazy cool.
All right, I'm about to hop in.
We're at a park, eating some lunch after church. Very beautiful park. Got a river over there. What are we eating?
We're making some grilled cheese with roast beef sandwiches.
Ooh.
Good. We just checked out the Black Canyon of Gunnison. It was very crowded. It's probably because it's Memorial Day. So we decided just to scope it out, get a little map, and then we're planning our day out today. Probably a chill day today, do some chores, and then tomorrow we'll do some hikes.
Yeah.
Take some photos. It's gonna be cool.
Bye.
All right, so we made it to the top of a mountain here, recommended on iOverlander, and look at this amazing view. It was a bit of a drive further from the Black Canyon of Gunnison, however, definitely worth it. We get a view of the lake, the Rockies in the back, and everything in between. There is literally nobody here. A really nice spot. There's picnic areas, so we're definitely gonna do a little meal here later tonight. All right, so first day at Black Canyon of Gunnison. There is the river. Beautiful view here. This canyon is just different than the other ones we've been to. It's beautiful. So this is our first little trail.
I think I need my short lens to capture everything.
The short lens.
Where you going?
All right, so we're back at it again. We're over here at Black Gunnison, and we're doing our first legit full trail. We're doing Oak View Trail. Is that right?
No.
Oak Loop Trail. Almost had it.
It's 2 miles. Did it say strenuous?
Yeah, so it was rated strenuous. So far, it's pretty pleasant. It's not too hot today. We have plenty of water, some snacks. So we're ready for it. Tomorrow we're doing a bigger hike, so we're easing into it today.
Yeah, this one is right next to the visitor center, but right behind it. And before you even see it, there's a little lookout to see the Gunnison Canyon.
And the Gunnison River. That was a different viewpoint, and it was like a really, really small trail.
Yeah.
But this is an actual full 2 mile trail. So yeah, just a little update. Peace.
Yeah. So we're probably almost at the halfway point of this trail. So far it's been all downhill. It's not good news for the way back up.
So right now I'm staring at the Gunnison River in the Black Canyon of the Gunnison, and it is breathtaking. We're gonna take our time and maybe do a little snack. Marissa found a rock. Oh, that's a shiny rock too.
It's hot, feel it.
Sizzling. Look at this view.
Gorgeous.
It's ridiculous, dude.
This is towards the end of our hike too.
Yep. The treat at the top, I would call it. How'd you feel about the hike?
It was good. It started out downhill, you know, and that was easy. But you know, when it's easy at the beginning, that means it's hard at the end.
Yeah.
So it was like a tiny bit hard. It had a lot of steep moments.
So this one was categorized as strenuous, but it was a good little test for us. We're doing a 6 mile strenuous hike tomorrow. So that one,
That's all the way, that's back and forth.
I think we did pretty good for this
so
one.
Too.
But the other one's gonna have way more elevation, so we'll see what
Yeah.
happens. But anyway, let's get one.
Ooh, yes.
Peace.
Peace. Back at it again with another hike. What's this one called? Warner Trail at High Point. And what, do you remember the elevation?
So we're gonna go about 400 feet up in elevation, and we're gonna do about 2 miles, a little under 2 miles. know, categorized as moderate,
Yeah.
so not as super good as the other one, but still a good hike. And it got a little warmer too, so that makes it a little challenge.
We're hoping for
wow,
some
look,
good
it's
views.
Montrose.
No way, really? Montrose is the city that is literally right next to this national park, and it's the one we've been staying at for the past 2 days, I think.
Really nice city. I liked it a lot.
It was very nice. We got there on Saturday, and of course it's Memorial Day weekend this past weekend, so everyone was so like nice, and they had a whole bunch of stuff to do. Really good.